Hi, welcome back to BioRef School and welcome to yet another series of social media tips in which we will share 10 valuable tips on social media on 10 consecutive days. To watch all the videos of this series, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from BioRef School. So what are we waiting for? Let's put on your seatbelts and let's go viral. So the tip for the day is engage in the 80-20 rule. Friends, this rule is based on the age-old proverb, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. People do not log into social media platforms to look for advertisements. They rather do so because they have some spare time and they want to utilize it for entertainment, to connect and to get inspired. If you want engagement, the secret is to post 80% of the content which would be useful to your audience. You can create your own content or you can share content from other sources. But the idea should be to post such content which is of use to your audience. Promotional social media posts should constitute only 20% of your content, and such posts should drive consumer action to make a purchase online. And such posts should also have a call to action such as learn now or shop more. So that was all for today's tip. I hope you have been able to derive some value out of this video. If so, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any important video from BioRef School. So see you tomorrow once again with another tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching BioRef School.